Hey guys, back with another video. I'm here with Evelyn. Evelyn, we're here at the tire shop checking out the wheels for this. This is 35, 12 and a half, 22s. I don't know what we're gonna be doing. This is like the 135 by 12 and a half, 20. That's for like the original tire I have on 35s. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a 2-inch lift, leveling kit, 2-inch lift, 4-inch, 6-inch, not sure, but we're gonna be showing you guys when it's all done. Don't want to ruin the surprise. But yeah, we're here at the tire shop. Hey, look guys. There's Isaiah, there's Cheapy, Roseville Tires and Wheels. It's right there. We're gonna see what we do to it. They got the rims off down there and tires. But yeah, I don't know if maybe be getting these low pro mud terrain tires here, the 35 by 12 and a half 24s. Good trip. But yeah, it's a work in progress, but you know, we're here at the tire shop, so I'm gonna surprise everybody with it. All my brother and brother-in-law and everybody, so it's gonna be a good one for sure. It's hey, oh yeah, there's Isaiah. There they are. Is it cold, guys? Yeah?
Medium.
And then they got these over here. These 33, 12 and a half, 24s. These are really low pro tires. It's nice though. This print here, but it's a really low pro tire. But yeah, we're gonna see how things go here at the shop. We're gonna probably go and eat something, take the kids out to eat somewhere here in Roseville. We may get on the bus, you know, transit bus, because I don't have no transportation. So I might get on the bus. We're gonna see where we're gonna go. We might go to the mall, you know, because it's like they told me it's gonna be a 5 or 6 hour job. So all right guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Hey YouTube, it's about 4:15. Dropped it off at about 10:15, so it's been about 5 hours, 6 hours. Yeah, about 6 hours. But yeah, we're here, looking good. All the boxes right here. There's that Rough Country suspension systems. There's the back. There's the front. There's that leaf. Yeah, looking nice. I got me a lift. What lift? You guys are gonna have to check out to the end of the video. here shortly. They're almost done. Once it's down, I'll let you guys take a look at it. Alrighty, there's the truck right here. There it is. It looks sweet.
Hi guys.
There's Aya.
And that's my sister.
Chippy. There it is. Got a 6-inch rough country lift.
And it's nice, people.
There it is right there. The tires, 35 by 12.5, 24s. Good trim. Yeah. Yep. There it is. There's Evelyn. Evelyn, stand in front to see how tall you are. Next to the front. There's Evelyn. That's how tall she is. She can't even, she's not up to the hood. Dang, that thing looks clean. It's dark, it's night, but it's clean for sure. I'll show
Might be
some
dirty,
more
but
ones. Yeah, man, looks good. Yeah, thank you. You too. It got a little dark on us, but here I am. Got back in town. That's how it looks right there with that 6-inch. It's pretty tall. That's the front.